I wanted to say also, Your Honor, that I'm here on Warbling and Faulkner. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I was about to say, you're not here on Kanisha Williams?
He's right with me, Your Honor.
Okay, cool. All right. So I'm going to do, in this order, I'm going to do Zazo's person, then I'm going to do yours, Attorney Jaffe, and then I'll do yours, Attorney Brown, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. No, I mean,
Oh, you did have it.
I did.
Oh, thank you. That's what I'm trying. Thank you.
Go ahead, Miss Stacy.
Okay.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, and no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Attorney Zazo, is your client coming today? Because I have a Marcus iPhone in the waiting room.
No, Your Honor, it's a civil infraction. With your permission, according to the court rule, I'm allowed to come here alone.
Okay, I just was checking because I saw somebody in the waiting room. Okay. Now calling the matter of people versus, I got an officer who just checked in. Let me see who this is. 1 second. Officer Hayes,
Yes, how you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good, and you? How are you doing this morning?
I am well.
Good. What matter are you on today?
I'm here for last name White, T. White.
Thomas White. Thank you so much. Do we have a particular room?
Yeah.
Okay, officer, I'm gonna have you go to room 1. Did you have to check in any place else or no, we're good?
No, we're good.
Okay, I'm gonna put you into room 1 right now and we'll be with you shortly, okay?
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Lewis Youngblood. This is ticket SP 144344011. One count disregard signal red or amber. May I have your appearance for the record, please, counsel?
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Paul Zosel, ZOSEL, P22757, on behalf of Mr. Youngblood.
Mr. Youngblood is not going to be present today. You have the right to act on his authority.
I have full authority to act on his behalf, yes.
That's what I meant. Thank you. All right, counsel. How would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, it appears that neither of the issuing officers are here. I move to dismiss without prejudice.
The time is now 9:35 a.m. This matter was set on my docket for, it was set on my docket for 8:30 a.m. 8:35 a.m. No officer being present, the court's going to grant your request, dismiss this without prejudice. You're all set, okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Jaffe.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now calling the matter of people versus Kanisha Patricia Williams. This is ticket number SP 119746. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, may it please the court, I'm Jack Jaffe on behalf of Kanisha Williams, who is present on the screen. Hopefully you can see her.
I can't see her. Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please? You gotta speak up louder than that.
Kanisha Williams.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, this was a time scheduled for a pre-trial, and we'd ask that the matter be set for trial.
All right, you want a bench or a jury trial, counsel?
Bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Williams, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You gotta speak up loud for me, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney, Mr. Jaffe, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Ms. Williams?
Yes.
Now, I know when you outside talking to people, you speak way louder than that. So use your big outdoor voice, because it sounds like this. Can you hear that?
Yes.
All right, so have you had a chance to talk to your attorney, Mr. Jaffe?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me. The witnesses will have to appear before court and your attorney will go ahead and cross-examine them and present stuff. You understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to set this for a bench trial. Mr. Attorney Jaffe, look at August the 30th. That's my next date. Does that work?
I'm getting there, Your Honor.
Just let me know.
Yes, that's fine.
All right, and it's at 9 a.m. It's still via Zoom right now. Is that okay, Attorney Jaffe?
App would prefer it, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so it's gonna be August 30th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay? All right, you're all set, ma'am. Thank you so much for your patience this
All right, Your
morning.
Honor. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and I do love your hat. Attorney Brown. Let me see. I'm scared to admit this iPhone. Did the iPhone already come in? Let me look and see. It ain't gonna help you, Mr. Williams. I see you though. That is nice. Go ahead, take it off.
How you doing?
All right. iPhone, ma'am,
Yes.
what's your name? Good morning.
Good morning, Sheree Williams Robertson.
She was here.
You were here already, ma'am?
Yes, I would like to go back to the breakout room. I was in breakout room 1.
Okay, let me rename you real quick and then I'll put you in breakout. You said you were in breakout room number what?
1. I was in
Okay.
room 1.
It's probably
Thank
room
you.
two.
Okay, thank you.
All right, what's that?
Cherie Williams Robinson. Devontae, you're here. You know what this is.
That's Sheree Williams Robinson?
Yeah. Most of them are ready to break our rules. So Devontae, you're-
Hey, bro, man, what this police supposed to do? I know they just protecting me from when
You got 15 seconds.
Okay.
Join that room for me. All right.
Okay.
Miss Zanette Williams, did you already talk to an attorney this morning?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
I'll put you in the waiting room until I'm ready. Okay.
So,
All right. George Wade, did you talk to an attorney this morning already?
Just spoke to someone.
You said just what?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
I spoke to someone.
Okay, I just want to make sure. All right, put you in the waiting room too. And then Marcus iPhone. Marcus iPhone.
Yes,
Okay, what's your name, sir?
Marcus Williams.
You're a little late, Mr. Williams. You were supposed to be here at 8:30.
he was here.
You was here?
I was already here. My phone disconnected. I had bad reception, so I connected to Wi-Fi.
Okay, did you already talk to an attorney or no?
Yeah, but I didn't have that much time with him. He had the breakout room. He said he was gonna get back to me.
Okay, so you need to go back to the breakout room. That's what I wanted to hear. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room so that you can continue talking to the attorney.
Oh, right.
Yeah. No, sorry. Put him back in the breakout room.
I believe I was in breakout room 13.
We probably put somebody in there. It's all right. Oh, you were on 13. Fantastic. All right, so are you on the phone or are you
Yes, I'm on the phone.
Okay, so tap the left corner, you'll see 3 dots pop up. You're gonna have to touch the dots and rejoin room 13. I hope you're ready for court 2, Mr. Williams, because although I didn't have you turn on your camera, oh, there you are, fantastic. So hit the corner dots, you see them? The little box pop up with like 4 dots in it?
Yes, I see him.
Okay, join 13, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Randolph Wiley, sir? Did you
Yes,
talk to an
ma'am.
attorney? Did you talk to an attorney?
Yes, I did.
All right, I'll put you in the waiting room. I'll be with you in a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I acknowledge that there's people in the courtroom too. Give me 1 second. I need to do one more person. All right, Mr. Watson Miller?
Yes.
Okay. All right, turn your camera on for me. Mr. Miller?
Yes.
Keep picking cases, which means you keep having to come back to my docket, which means we can't resolve this if you keep picking up cases. You do understand that, right? Or at some point, we're just gonna have to resolve what we can.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't keep, it's okay. I understand kids talk. Wait on that. It's okay. Mr. Miller, Watson Miller, this next court date, we're gonna handle all your matters. I'm gonna pull them. But if you get some new matters, those are just going to be on another day. And I'm not
Okay.
going to bind it together because I can't keep pushing it out because you keep getting new tickets. You
Okay.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try and capture all of your tickets on the same day so that we can be able to handle it. Attorney
Okay.
Brown, does that June 13th day work for you or no? He's checking for me, okay, attorney? Mr. Watson Miller.
Yes.
Yeah, that should work. Hopefully I'll be out of trial by then.
To me, that should work. If it's not a good day, I can move it a little bit so I can make sure you're out of trial. How long do you anticipate you'll be in trial?
I was told it would be a 3-week trial by the prosecutor.
What is it, homicide? First degree?
Yes, a homicide. Yeah, 2 defendants.
Okay, what day are y'all planning to start that?
June 1st.
Okay. And the 13th, you might actually still be in because usually y'all don't go on Fridays, right? And then that means you'll start on the 5th. That'll give you a week. 8, 12, 13. You wanna,
Yeah, do one for the 14th, August 14th.
or we can do it August 14th.
August 14th.
Yeah, that works.
Does that work for you,
Oh,
Mr.
no,
Watson?
I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry,
Well,
that
wait.
does not work. I start
It does
another
not work?
jury trial. I start another jury trial on that day. It's armed robbery that I start on the 14th. I apologize.
Well, no, hey, what about August 9th? That's my next picture.
August 9th, yes.
August 9th,
Alrighty.
okay?
36. Okay, what
All right,
time?
thank you, Your Honor.
8:30 a.m., Mr. Watson Miller.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, okay? Now, take heed to what I said. I know it's hard, but you really gotta try. 'Cause
I got you, lady.
Trying to put everything, why I gotta be lady?
I'm sorry. I got you, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I got you, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
No, we're not going on the record on it. It's okay. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter.
You're welcome.
All right, I'll see you all back that day, okay? I won't put it on the record. We'll just move it to that day.
Okay,
All right,
thank
Your
you.
Honor.
All right, thank you. I'll see you then.
Have a good one.
You too. Attorney Schwartz, do you have a motion hearing that you're doing today?
Yes, but we're gonna have a resolution. I had talked to Shannon Walker and we'll be able to resolve this.
Okay, cool. Let me get that file then, and then let me find out what the resolution is. Can I have your P number too, Attorney Schwartz?
Excuse me?
Can I have your P number, please?
P number is 30938.
Congratulations on your recent award, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
No problem. All right. Let me see.
Yeah, you can be the phone number.
What, phone number?
The phone, I'm just saying, the phone number on down. The rest of them already talked about.
Okay. All right. So Monte Young, Jasmine?
Well, that's what I'm discussing.
Okay,
He needs
Monte Young.
Yeah, he needs to see work.
Shantanice Williams, we don't have her in yet.
No.
And Robert Williams Jr.
Right. They're all new. Malcolm White been. he talked to the attorney.
All right. Mr. Malcolm White, you already talked to the attorney?
Yeah.
Okay, when you come back out for court, you're gonna have to take that hat off, but for now, I'm sending you to a waiting room, okay? I'll bring you back in the morning. All right, Robert Williams Jr., you're just now checking in?
Yes, ma'am.
We're set for 8:30 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay, I got you checked in. Chantanese Williams?
Good morning, Your Honor. I do understand that I am late. The address that they sent my mail to stating that I had court, I no longer have access to that address anymore. And the new tenants actually reached out to me and let me know that I had court this morning. But by the time I didn't realize that I was late. So I just actually received notice that I have court today.
Okay. All right, we got you checked in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Devontae Young?
Yeah.
Mr. Young, can you turn your camera on for me, please? All right, Mr. Young, we have you checked in. I know you already talked to my clerk this morning as well. And then we have phone number ending at 9511.
No, that ain't my number.
That's not you, Mr. Young. You good. I know what your number is, so just hold tight for me, okay? It's a phone that I'm trying to get. Phone number, person on the phone, press *6 on your phone for me, please. *6. Good morning. *6, you're muting yourself. All right, for those who have just checked in, I'm going to place you into what's called breakout room so that you can talk to the attorneys for today.
Okay.
Going to invite you. Okay, all right, phone. What's your name?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can
What's
you
your
hear
name,
me?
sir? Yes.
Alexis Walton.
He was here already.
Alexis Walton.
Okay, Alexis Walton. Okay, let me rename you real quick. You already here, sir? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. To the rest of you, I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you can talk to the attorney in private about your case and about your rights, okay? When I ask you to join it, it's gonna bring a prompt up to have you join that room. Please join that room.
How do we join the room?
Yours will automatically take you there, Mr. Walton, because you're on a phone, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, do I have a brief moment to step away, like 2 minutes?
You do. Just let me know when you come back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Mr. Young, I'm gonna place you in room number 16. Please join that room. Robert Williams, I'm gonna place you in room number 7. Please join that room.
Okay.
And then Miss Williams, I'm gonna place you into room number 9. Please join that room.
Okay.
Shara Whitford was here already. Shara Whitford was here already. She was talking to us.
Ms. Whitaker, did you talk to the attorney already? Okay.
Good morning. Yes, Your Honor, I did. And we have came to a resolution.
Okay, I'll just put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Officer McCall, can you approach the bench, please?
I'm back.
Okay. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit too.
Yeah.
All right. All right, Mr. Harold Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can come. Wait for me. Right here, or I can have them a little closer so they can be able to hear. Yeah. Sorry, I'll be a little tight.
As long as they're at the podium.
Oh, they could be at the podium for you?
That's where the mic is, yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if you could hear them over there, because our mic is on the wall.
Oh.
Yeah. And sometimes it's a little tight. Uh-oh, no, Madam Stacy.
You gotta speak up loud, okay?
Okay.
Williams? Okay.
Should let me control this, okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Harold Hickman Williams. This is Z ticket 8066841. This is one count operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with probation officer, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Myra McCall on behalf of the probation department.
All right, and sir, in a big voice, state your name for the record.
Harold Williams.
All right, thank you, Mr. Williams. Officer McCall, how is Mr. Williams doing?
Your Honor, Mr. Williams was placed on probation on July 26, 2021 for 18 months. He was ordered to pay $1,360 in assessed fines and costs, attend inpatient and outpatient treatment, must test twice a month, attend and complete the alcohol highway safety class level 2, attend the victims impact panel, and the scheduled discharge date was scheduled for January 26, 2023. However, Mr. Williams appeared on a violation hearing, Your Honor, on March 13th, 2023. And on that date, the hearing was rescheduled for March 28th, 2023 for Mr. Williams to appear in person. He was ordered to continue testing 3 times per week, no missed tests, continue counseling, must complete inpatient treatment, and any positive tests, it was 5 days Wayne County Jail for any illegal substance, including alcohol. However, on March 28th, 2023, Mr. Hickman Harold was in inpatient treatment with Quality Behavior Health, and he completed inpatient treatment from March 17th, 2023 to April 14th, 2023. And on January 26th, 2023, Mr. Williams' probation was extended for 6 months to make this term a 24-month. He is currently enrolled in outpatient treatment with Spectrum Child and Family Services under the supervision of Ms. Patterson. And also in regards to his testing, Your Honor, from May 20th to April 15th, his screens has been negative. He has completed the alcohol highway safety class along with the victims impact panel, and he has paid his assessed fines and costs. Due to the fact that this probation was extended additional 6 months, he's responsible to pay $210 in supervision fees. And he will be attending the 12-step Alcohol Anonymous and NA meetings. And that's where we are now with Mr. Patterson. Mr. Williams, I'm sorry. Ms. Patterson is his therapist.
Oh, okay. I do see that. All right. Mr. Williams, how are you feeling?
A lot better.
A lot better, right?
Yeah, I cleared it up.
You cleared it up, right? Because last time you came in here, you were real sure,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, when you participate and take care of yourself, see, we can want this for you all day long, right? But if you don't want it, then it's not gonna work. But we're looking for what's the best interest for you, right?
Yes.
You're too far along in the game to now be, messing up and cutting your life potentially short. We don't want that. All right? Great job.
Thank you.
You only got a little bit more to go, but you gotta keep pushing, okay? Because I want it in July. I don't want to see you before July.
Okay.
I want to see you in July when I say congratulations,
All right, I will.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That's my goal. So good job. I'm so happy to hear that you have not testified.
Thank you.
That's fantastic.
I'm proud of myself.
I know you are. You gotta be. That's exciting,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this isn't easy. If it were, everybody would do it
Yes, ma'am. You right.
without hesitation.
That's right.
It's hard. But you're on the right path. Just keep going, okay?
Yes, I will.
Please,
I will.
just keep going. All right. If there's nothing further,
Your Honor, I would like to say that Mr. Williams is here with his sister that's helping him, Ms. Coleman, and she's here with him today.
thank you, Ms. Coleman. I know it's hard. Listen, I can tell from your demeanor right now that you're gonna keep going. Don't mess with your
She's
sister.
one of the babies, but that's the meanest one in the
I'm
group.
gonna say that.
He's not playing.
I'm a baby in my crew too, but when stuff goes astray, they come looking for me. Cause they know I'm gonna handle it, all right? I'm gonna make sure we do it. And I appreciate you, Ms. Coleman.
Thank you.
And I appreciate you having the support of your brother.
Thank you.
And look at the support you have. Think about that too. When it gets tough, think about who's standing right beside you, cheering you on.
That's right.
Because if she didn't cheer you on, she'd just be like, whatever.
Amen.
Okay? And you look very nice for court today too.
Thank you.
All right. I don't want to see him before July.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
I will.
Keep pushing. I see that you're doing great things and I'm excited and happy
Thank you.
for you,
Thank
okay?
you.
You're welcome. All right. If there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
You
Your
too.
Honor.
Thank
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too, Your Honor.
I
Thank
will.
you.
Thank you. You can put a smile on my face this morning. Attorney Schwartz,
Yes, Your Honor.
what's the resolution? Because I don't have it. I was trying to wait for it.
Yeah, I had talked to Ms. Walker. The resolution would be that with regard to this particular case, it would be a civil infraction. And with regard to the other two matters that you had, those would be dismissed.
So they expired plate,
Yes.
you got the alcohol drive, isn't it? All right. Now calling the matters of the people. First is Alfred Benny Williams Jr. This is ticket number SP 22740706, count 1, expired plate. Also calling ticket number 22742000, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. And ticket number SP 2274199991, 1 count expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with council, please. Attorney Swartz.
I was seeing that there was another Williams that was up there. I was thinking that perhaps you were referring to that person. It was a Robert Williams, but
I said Alfred Benny Williams
yes,
Jr.
okay, yeah, okay. Michael Allen Schwartz on behalf of Mr. Williams, P 30938, and he is present here.
Alfred Williams.
Mr. Williams, put your phone down for the remainder of the hearing. You're gonna be present. You just got an amazing offer, okay? All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Okay, with regard to case number 742000, the case is to be reduced to a civil infraction. In addition to that, there's the 2 other cases. I think you named them, and those are to be dismissed.
So, misdemeanors can't be reduced to civil infractions, so I just thought you were gonna plead to one of the civil infractions.
No, it's to the one over here. That's why Ms. Walker should hopefully be here. I don't know if she's gonna be here or not, but that's what she indicated.
Okay, if she can tell us a way to do, like physically, our computer systems won't allow us to do that. That's why I thought we were just doing one of the civil infractions. I'll recall it and try and get in contact with her, because I need to know what she wants me to do on that case. Because I know if I physically give it to my clerk as a reduced civil infraction, she's not gonna be able to put it in the computer system. So I just need to be clear on what it is.
Okay,
Okay? And then, because it's gonna mess up your client, because it won't like reduce it. So let's figure out, let me see if I can get Attorney Walker in here, and then we can figure out what's going on, so I can be able to give the appropriate, because it may be just pleading to one of these civil infractions.
all right, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, no problem. Robert Williams Jr., did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes, I talked to him. He said he'll be back in the room in a second.
Okay, I'll put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Williams, did you talk to the attorney already as well?
Yes, I did. He just told me to rejoin.
Okay, I'll put you in the waiting room. Desiree Woods, did you talk to an attorney?
Yes, and he told me, he gave me until 10 o'clock to see if the officers would show up and then to return to the courtroom.
Okay, give me one moment.
Attorney Faulkner.
Yes,
Okay, so you spoke with everyone. You said there's even.
there's a couple. I'm waiting for the city attorney to get back. But I got I got them almost all of them. I'm ready to
Okay,
go.
so who spoke with Desiree Woods? Because her officer did check in. He's just in a different courtroom.
He's here now. We just checked back.
Oh, he's here now. Officer here. He's here now. But Desiree
Mr.
Woods.
Warbring must have talked to her because I didn't.
Okay, I'll let him know. Okay, thank you.
Which one?
Should I bring it back? Put it back, bring it. Which one? Oh. Last four digits, 2751. What's your name? You on the telephone?
Jerome.
What was it, Jerome who?
Woodward, WOODWRD.
Okay. You spoke with the attorney already because you were already here.
I was clicked in once on the Zoom, and my son had to take his phone and go back to work. So I came down here. I'm downstairs and I have to do it again.
Okay, I'm gonna place you back in the breakout room, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Woods. Desiree Woods. Desiree Woods.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes, now I can, Miss Woods. Miss Woods, I'm gonna place you back into the breakout because your officer did check in, okay? So can you go back to breakout room number 3?
Okay, so how do I go to the hub there? You gonna put me there? Wait, let me see.
Are you able to go back?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and go back.
How am I able to go back? What do I need to do?
So there's a button on your phone in the top corner. When you hit the right corner, you see those 4 buttons that pop up? 4 little things on your screen?
I don't have 4 buttons.
You hold on, are you on your phone?
I'm on the phone.
Right, so tap the screen. In the corner, it'll be like a little square, tap the screen up at the top on the left-hand side. Did something pop up?
No. This just says leave, and on the left-hand side, it has the speaker icon.
Typically, when you tap on it, the box will come up, and then you can select which breakout room you come up to.
Okay, I'm tapping. Let me see if I tap a different screen. Nope, okay, I'm gonna. Oh, okay. Wait, let me see. Oh, okay. All right. You want me to go in 3, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Devontae Young?
Yeah.
Devontae Young,
Yes.
have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room, okay?
All right.
Attorney Worbley.
Yes, Ms. Edwards.
So Desiree Woods, Officer Harrington, he did check in.
Okay. Desiree Woods. Gotcha. Oh, Harrington. Okay. So I have to see. Gotcha. All right, so I'll have to speak with Alexa.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if you can come back.
All right, I sent her a text. Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Faulkner, are you waiting on Alexa to come back, or you just waiting?
I need her, but I got a lot of, I'm ready to go on most of them.
Okay, judge, be ready in 1 moment.
Ms. Edwards in 11, Al Zaki, he's ready to go, but he was on the phone, so I couldn't bring him out.
Okay.
Yep, thank you. Thanks.
Officer Harrington,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm placing in breakout room number 1. That's where all the officers are, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Attorney, Faulkner, which cases do you have? That's in the waiting room?
Thomas Wyatt is no police officer.
Give me a second.
Hayes did check in.
You said what?
Officer Hayes did check in.
Officer Hayes is here.
Okay, I didn't see him in the void out room.
He's in room 1.
Okay, what about Rule and Colon?
No, that room didn't check in, or Colin didn't check in. Hayes.
Coleman and who else?
Jay Poland did not, and Jay Rule did not, but Officer Hayes did.
Okay. So his only tickets were driving while license suspended then.
I don't have an offer on that yet.
Okay.
Attorney Faulkner, who else did you have?
Let's see, Devontae Young,
And either always. Okay, who else?
well, let's see, who else we got here? Robert Walker,
Okay,
Alexis Walton, Williams Tate,
okay. I need to bring those people out, because they're still in the waiting room. I mean, they're still in the breakout room.
you want me to give you the rest of them, or?
Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'll be back. Ms. Robinson,
Yes, ma'am.
have you spoken with the attorney?
Yes, but he said he was gonna come back, but my phone keep losing signal because I'm in the
Yeah,
warehouse.
I didn't know if we had an officer on her cases. Which would it be? I think we're waiting for Nicholas Allen and Justin Hearn.
Okay, they haven't checked in yet.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Faulkner, you said Alexis Walton is ready?
Let's see. Yes,
Okay.
well, I don't know if she should be ready. Let me go in and talk to her real quick. Alexis Walton. She's an odd.
Yeah, she's in room number 5.
Yeah, those are Ben's. I'm even. He's in there right now.
Okay, so you're even. So what about Thomas White? Are you ready on Thomas White or?
I'm looking, see, Thomas White. Malcolm White.
Thomas White is in room 4.
He, that's one where had the 3 officers, only one of them showed up. So I'm waiting for Alexis to make an offer on that.
Do you need me to get her back in here? Or
Yes, I got a couple for them.
I can't hear you.
I know, because I had to turn on my audio.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Calm down. You be hollering, you be hollering a lot. Use your good voice. No, listen, just take a deep breath. Mr. White, how can I help you?
I just was on hold when I talked to the boy. I was just making sure I'm just not on Bears Live.
You're not on Desert Island. I got you. So I had like 25 people sign in this morning. So
I appreciate that. I just wanted to, just get basis with you, make sure everything going right.
Thank you, Mr. White. What you here for today, at trial? One of the officers did check in, so now we're just trying to find out what the officer is going to be on that one case, okay? So they're trying to get something that would be reasonable that you could plead to, and then the other cases are going to be dismissed, okay?
Okay, and another thing is I paid my tickets.
I know, I can see all. So you just said, you talk to the judge, talk to the attorney. And then when you come back to the room, I'll make sure that I take care, okay? So they're just waiting for that. I know it's been a little while, but that's all they're waiting for,
I
okay?
just want to know long term, I'm still intact.
Yep, you're still here, you're good. We're gonna get you in soon, okay?
Appreciate you, right?
No problem, thank you. You're welcome. All right, I'll see you soon. I ain't gonna get you out.
Attorney Faulkner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Alexis, can you let her know everything that you need?
Yes, on, Where's Thomas? Here. Jerome Woodward.
When was he at?
I'm not sure.
He did
Eight,
one count, right? I think he was a show cause.
yeah, show cause for allowing.
Okay. The offer was a 3-month delay, no objection to early dismissal.
Early. Okay. I've got a Thomas here. What's Thomas's? Was scheduled for trial. Thomas White. At 9 o'clock?
Do you know which officers you have?
Yes, Officer Hayes is here. The other two are not.
Okay, I'll just do one FTD.
Okay. Zernhurst Williams.
What are
Is
they
that
set
King?
for?
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Do you have that?
which Williams are you saying, Paul?
Zernhurst.
Yes, she's
You got it? Okay.
Yeah, I didn't get to tell her the offer though, because she wasn't in 9 anymore.
I'm looking to see where. Yeah, she's not joined now.
Ooh, okay.
Well, I can't do hers. Got that one. That might be all of them.
Alexa, I had Alexis Walton, and he just wants to resolve the best offer possible with the failure. I mean, the failure to stop an ID after an accident is probably the. Oh, those are state though. My bad.
Yeah. Really on those two, I mean, if he can come back, they're always good to set for trial. Sometimes we can't make the facts.
That's true. Let me see. I don't recognize this. Okay, I'll let him know. I think that's all. Let me see. I think you gave me plea to expired plates and Shira Whitaker. Yeah, we talked about that. Oh, that was a thing. Officer Huntington was here on Woods, so I didn't know about the failure to stop at a stop sign.
I'll do the
she has
improper plate.
insurance.
Oh, she has it?
Yeah, but she showed me the intersection. Like she took a picture of it. There's actually no stop sign. It's a non-working traffic light, and she said she made a complete stop, but I don't know. I wasn't there. I'm sure he has a completely different side of the story.
I'll do a blockading.
Okay, I'll let
Or
her
an
know.
improper
Thank
plate,
you.
whatever she
Okay,
wants.
blockading, cool. Okay, all right. So I will just I'll talk to Walton. Thanks. I think that's it before I lose you.
You have an offer on Williams at Sandhurst or Cerny's?
Yeah, blockading. Because she has everything else.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alexa, before you go, Attorney Snyder, you talked to Attorney Schwartz. He said he spoke with Shannon about a plea deal for a case.
Yes.
Do you know what it is? He said it, but then I can't lower the civil misdemeanor to a civil infraction. So what is it?
If I remember correctly, I think he had 2 expired plates.
Yeah.
And then he had an open intox driver. I think we were going to have him plead to 1 expired plates, dismiss the other 2.
That's what I thought. Okay.
And he might have credit because I think they took him to the DDC, so he might have credit.
Fantastic. That's what I thought it was, but he was trying to reduce the driving while to drive one. I said, I can't do that. So I just wanted to make sure before I did it. Fantastic.
That'd be great, but
No. Gotcha. Thank you. All right, you ready, Attorney Swartz? You hear what it is?
Yes, I am. My understanding, just so that we all agree, is
Okay.
that there will be a dismissal of case number 74200. And there will be, of the two items, the two civil infractions on 7419999, the expired plate, we will agree to that, and the other one will be dismissed.
perfect.
That's my understanding.
Might as well.
That good, Attorney Swartz?
Yes,
Now calling the matter of, thank you. Madam Court Reporter, you with me still?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Alfred Benny Williams Jr. These are tickets 227407061, expired plate 227420001, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver, and ticket 227419991, one count expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Michael Allen Schwartz, on behalf of defendant Alfred Williams, who is present here.
And go ahead, state your name for the record, Mr. Williams.
Alfred Williams.
All right, thank you. Counsel, it's my understanding that you have reached a resolution with the city attorney's office, is that correct?
Yes,
And that resolution is that he will take one plea of responsible to expired plates. The remaining two counts will be dismissed, am I correct?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, and counsel, will you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis for the civil infraction?
Um,
I can state it if you want.
Excuse me?
I said I can state it for the record if you want.
Oh, yes, I'd appreciate that. I was looking at the ticket, but I'd prefer that you do it because you probably do a better job than I would.
All right, no problem. All right, at this time, reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of February 13th, 2022, in the area of Putman and Cass in the city of Detroit. Mr. Williams was driving a Ford vehicle that had expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, court is satisfied as well. Stipulation for probable cause on those remaining counts to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter this one count of expired plates. Mr. Schwartz, I did hear that your client has some jail time. Unfortunately, this is a civil infraction, and those are payment, like the statute only allows me to have them pay. So it is a fine that's associated with that. Is that understandable?
Yes, I understand that. I've talked to my client and he understands it as well.
It's $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay those type of civil infractions. Mr. Williams, is that gonna be enough time for you, or you need some more time?
That's enough time.
Okay, cool. All right, so that brings us to June 5th. I need that payment by June 5th, okay?
Yes.
All right, and the other two cases have been dismissed today, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Welcome, and you look very nice today, Mr. Williams. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I do appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Also, I might say, Your Honor, just for what it's worth, he had one of the better hats that I saw today.
I did. I was about to say, I'm gonna stay out of it. I like his hat too, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. All right, thank you for your patience this morning too. I just had to figure that out. She said civil infraction. I figured it was an expired plate. But when you said lower that one, I was like, what happened? So, okay.
All right, very good.
All right, you're all set then. Thank y'all so much. And that concludes this hearing. I won't see y'all again. I better not see you, Mr. Williams.
You won't in court, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Have a
Thank you
good
very
day.
much.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, bye.
The other thing that sounds to me, he was here earlier than some very day. Oh, where's he here? Oh, she was. Sampson SM, what was your name, ma'am?
Hello?
What's your name, ma'am?
Zaness Williams. What happened? My phone had messed up and she had put me in the waiting room for her.
Okay, you
So
spoke
I
with
had
the
to
attorney?
re-put my, huh?
Have you spoken with the attorney already?
Yes, I did. I was already on here, but my phone had started acting up, so I had to redo it again.
All righty, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room, okay?
Okay.
My employees, now, if you continue to do that, I don't
Miss
have
Williams,
to let you
Miss
know.
Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, now what keeps happening is that either you keep losing connection or you keep
Yes,
figuring
I
things
keep
out.
losing.
You're
I keep
Miss
losing connection.
Miss Williams,
Yes,
you're in my
ma'am.
court and you having all these side conversations. Just all free willy, free nilly, all in here, and you got a guy talking to you about life and everything. This is my courtroom. So when you keep
I'm
logging
sorry.
in to back in and we let you back in, you're coming right back into my courtroom making all these noises. Now I understand you at work, so I have some patience and understanding for that. But the people who are surrounding you, you got to find some place to tell them to stop talking to you and stay in the waiting room till I call you in, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, I know. It's all right. All right.
Okay, thank you.
We ready.
Okay.
Thomas White is ready that you talk to, Judge.
All right, who has Randolph Wiley?
That would be me, Judge.
Randolph Wiley? Unmute yourself, sir. Oh, sorry. Unmute yourself. I'm sorry. I remuted you.
Hello?
Hello. Now calling the matter of People versus Randolph Jerome Wiley. This is U ticket 629-28122. This is one count of operating while transporting, possessing open alcohol. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And Werbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name, Mr. Wiley?
Randolph Jerome Wiley.
Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Judge, he wants to waive his rights and accept the offer at this time.
What's the offer?
Plead guilty as charged with a recommendation for delayed 3-month sentence.
Sir, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're giving up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of March 4th of 2022. Were you in the area of Randolph and Gratiot Streets in the city of Detroit driving a vehicle?
I was not driving a vehicle.
Okay. Were you were inside the vehicle?
No, we were outside the vehicle.
Oh, I can't take a plea then. All right, so
Okay,
do you have
Judge.
a bench or jury trial?
Judge, can we have a bench trial, Your Honor?
All right.
Okay, you said, I don't understand. You say you can't accept the plea?
I can. If you weren't inside the vehicle, that's what the charge is transporting or possession of alcohol in a motor vehicle. And if you weren't in the vehicle, then I can't take the plea. So I can set it for a bench trial. Bench trial will be on August 30th at 9 a.m., sir.
Okay,
Listen, don't take something that you're not guilty of. It's just to get it over with. That's the most ridiculous thing that anybody can do is just to get it over with. They're gonna plead to something that they can't really make a factual basis on because they're saying it's not true. So you have the right to have a bench trial. If the officers come, then we can figure something out. If they don't come, then the attorneys will notify you of what to do. Okay.
okay,
All right. So I'll see you back on August 3rd. 2023 at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
okay.
All
And
right.
will there be
Yes.
correspondence mailed to me?
Yes, so we do mail out something to let you know that there is a bench trial, but write it down too so that you don't forget it. Because if you don't show up for it, I'll put a warrant out for you, just so you know.
Okay, and that is August what? What's that date again?
August 30th.
August 30th. Okay, and is there a time? Is there a time yet?
9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yes, via Zoom. So the same way you Zoomed on at 9 a.m.
August 30th, 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
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 All right. I will see you then, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Bless
Honor.
you.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Wiley.
All right, Officer Hayes, who was the person that you had?
Thomas White.
Officer Hayes, your hand is raised. I'm gonna get rid of you. And Officer Harrington, if I can.
How you doing, Your Honor, Officer Hayes?
Yes, Officer Hayes, you are on Thomas.
I was here
White.
yes, Thomas White.
Okay. Did we talk to Thomas White? Do we have a resolution, everyone?
I'm ready on that, Your Honor.
Okay, let me get him out. Mr. White?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Thomas White Jr. This is ticket number SP 1379694. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1375473. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, failed to stop for a stop sign. And ticket number SP 1259922. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, failed to stop for a stop sign. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Thomas White.
Out of the first two matters called, they're set scheduled for trial, and Officer Rue and Officer Cohen have not appeared. I would move to dismiss. On the third matter, where Mr. Hayes is the officer, there's a reduction to failure to display an operator's license. My client would plead guilty to the failure to display.
All right, sir, if you could please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. White, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August 12th, 2022. Sir, were you in the area of Plymouth Road in Southfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a Dodge vehicle at that time, sir?
Yes.
And did you drive while your license was suspended, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of failed to display a valid operator's license in this particular matter. So I see there was another ticket that you paid in conjunction with this ticket. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm away to cost of fines on this ticket. See that you paid the other one. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, Officer Hayes. Stay safe out there.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
Mr. White, you're all set, okay?
Thank you. Appreciate you greatly.
Very welcome. All right, have a good day.
Yeah.
All right, did we talk to Desiree Woods in the matter that she has for Officer Harrington?
I did, Judge, but I did not have an opportunity to tell her the offer of blockading on the moving violation.
I don't have a moving violation. It's a moving
Oh,
violation.
I thought it was, maybe I'm wrong. Desiree Woods.
There's a stop sign. There's a stop sign in there.
Right.
Which is
Oh,
civil.
it is. Okay, all right, I got y'all. All right, okay, I have both of them. All right, you can let her know.
Yeah. Where is she, Judge?
She is in room number 3, I think.
Okay, I'll be right back. Thanks, Judge.
Yep, room 3. All right, can you look in the breakout room and tell me who you have, Faulkner, that I can do while he's doing that?
Yapoti,Ylipoti, the last name.
Okay, and Andrea?
Yes, there's an offer on that.
Okay, what about, look in the waiting room? I'm sorry, not breakout room.
Oh,
waiting
okay.
I'm
Let
sorry.
me go to the breakout room.
Well.
Who's there? Carnesia Waiters, Waiters at 8:35.
Judge, I'm gonna have to speak with Ms. Schneider on that one.
Okay, So Attorney Faulkner, I'm gonna read the names, you gonna tell me, because those people are still in the breakout room, so I don't have that stuff yet. So,
Okay.
what about George Wade? Do you have George Wade?
Judge, I had Wade. That was gonna be a plea.
Okay, let me bring him out.
Okay. Or actually, it's gonna be a new date. Sorry, Your Honor. A new pretrial date. Sorry.
George Wade?
Yes, George Wade.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus George Augustus Wade III. This is ticket number SP 1392871. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Wade, could you state your name, please?
George Wade.
And Judge, it's an arraignment date. He wishes to enter a not guilty plea. He's looking for the earliest pretrial date available, if that's possible.
All right, these pretrial days in August.
Oh.
Okay.
See, that's the earliest. All right. And if this did go to trial, since it is a criminal case, would the I guess alleged victim be there too?
Yeah, you could just set it for a trial today if you want to. It'll be the.
Will the trial date be an earlier date, Judge?
No, my trial dates aren't until August 30th.
Okay, so yeah, the officer would have to be there, Mr. Wade.
And the only other option is the one with the misdemeanor, because they're not going to allow me to just pay whatever it is. I have to see somebody.
That's correct. It's a misdemeanor.
Okay. And what happens if the vehicle is insured prior to that date? It can't. The info can't be taken to the court. I just still have to wait for that August date.
Did you ask these questions in the breakout room, sir? Mr. Wade, I'm real confused right now. Because the point of putting you in the room is so that you ask all these questions.
Yes, but he had to go back and get information from the judge, he said, for certain questions.
About misdemeanors, I mean, you pay a fine if you found, so either you did it or you didn't do it, right? And then either you have new stuff, new documents saying that you have insurance now and your car is registered so that you can show it to the court. Then at my discretion or the discretion of the prosecutor's office, they'll dismiss it. So that's kind of like what it is, or you plead guilty and I give you a fine. Typically my fine is $200 on a ticket.
Okay, but if I plead guilty, that is the misdemeanor, they will apply it to me. He said.
It is a misdemeanor that these tickets are. That's why you have the right to have counsel, because you also have the right to have a jury trial with 6 citizens from the city of Detroit who will be able to decide based on what you have.
Okay.
I got like 2
and the last question I had
about it, okay?
Yeah.
And then I'll come back to you.
Okay,
I
the
didn't
last
know
question.
you were ready, okay? Because I gotta get some of these folks out. I'm gonna just give you a moment to think about it, okay? All right. What about Al Zakiel?
Ready on that one, Judge.
Mr. Zakiel? Al Zakiel?
Yes, hello?
Now calling the matter of people versus Al Zakiel. This is ticket SP 793817. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name, sir?
Zakiel.
Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Judge, he wants to waive his rights and pleaded the amended charge of failure to display a license.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Just briefly.
Is that a yes or no?
Yeah, that was just briefly. I mean, we just said I'm gonna plead to something, and he told me what it was, and I'll agree to it because I don't have a problem with Michigan. Michigan's holding me up from getting my license back. I don't have a problem with Michigan. I just have this charge. I just need to get it out of the way so I can go back home and get my license back.
Sir, did we not have a conversation in the breakout room? Do you have any questions, sir? You understand you're waiving your rights and you're pleading to an amended charge. That's what you wanted to do, right, sir?
Yeah. Technically, I guess, waive my rights, yeah.
Mr. L, because you can't see me. So this is Judge Marlena Taylor. When you start speaking in uncertainties, and I guess that's what I'm gonna do, and I mean, I kind of did, that lets me know that you need some more time to speak to an attorney. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place you back into a breakout room. That way, when you come out here, you'll be sure when you answer my questions about whether or not you spoke to them, you'll know for certain that you spoke to them, you'll know exactly what's taking place today, and there won't be any questions and no doubt in your mind what's taking place. So I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. He's gonna come back to you after we finish dealing with the other people who I need to get out of the way as well, and we're gonna have it all set and put together, okay?
But can I say this, ma'am? Can I say this? I think I really know what's going on. I mean, I'm not trying to disrespect the court. I know the court is very honorable, but I'm really a traveler, but I'm trying to get back in your system now. If he promised me that it's not going to go against me, no points or nothing, because I never had a license in the state of Michigan. I just want to get this out of the way so I can go back to where I had a license and get it back, because Michigan's been holding me up with these charges I found out, because Michigan went ahead and deemed that I was suspended in another state, which I wasn't suspended in one state, but I was in another. But they decided to honor the one state and not the other, which I had a license in, which messed me up completely. I'm from the East Coast. So I just want to go ahead, if this ain't going to hold me up another year, suspension or nothing like that, this ain't going to put a suspension on me, let's go ahead and plead it out. Let's go ahead and pay this money so I can go back. I'm going to try to get back into the licensing system. Other than that, I'm a traveler. I understand exactly what y'all doing here, what kind of commerce is going on. I understand what's going on here. But like I say, if it's nothing, we'll just give you the money, give me the bill, and we'll pay it off. That's it.
Attorney Werblin, will the FTD effective, will allowing be better?
Yeah, it would always be better. Yes, Judge.
All right, Mr. Zaki, when I ask you these questions, I need yes or no answers. I don't need a dissertation about it. I need yes or no answers, or else. And if you don't feel like it's a yes or no answer, then I'm gonna go through all of your rights individually right now on the record, okay?
Okay.
All right. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
No.
Okay. All right. So you have the right to have an attorney. This is a misdemeanor in the state of Michigan. So certain rights come with that because it holds a certain penalty. You can be put into jail for up to 90 days. I'm not going to do that. You can be fined up to $500. My penalties are not up to $500. You have the right to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as a judge, as I sit here and the officers come in, and based on the law, I will have to make a decision. You also have the right to have a jury trial. That's a trial before 6 citizens of the city of Detroit. They would do the same thing, have officers come in and testify, present evidence, and based on the law, they will render a decision. You understand those rights, sir?
Yes.
All right. All right. So at this point in time, you feel like you got a good grasp on it. The next question that I ask is, are you taking a guilty plea today? Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
No, I'm pleading guilty due to a technicality without prejudice to the law.
Sir, do you have your license when you came and drove through the city of Detroit? Did you have your license?
I don't need a license. I'm a traveler, but I'm just gonna plead guilty to this one on the record.
Mr. Zakia, let me tell you something. I know that you would like to get your license, but if you are unwilling to state that you drove in the city without the license, regardless of the traveler stuff that you are claiming, okay, I understand that, but if you got stopped and you could not present a license, then you are in violation of this. Is that a yes or a no? Did you commit that? Okay. And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? We just talked about that. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to bring you back to the date. It's all the way to February 21st of 2018. Were you driving a GMC or traveling on the roads in the city of Detroit in a GMC in the area of Joy and Broad Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, did you fail to provide a valid license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. I'm going to amend this to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I believe that's a charge that will not affect you in being able to get your license in another state. Am I correct, Attorney Worthing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sometimes we'll fail to display, it'll hold you up a little bit, and I don't want that to happen to you, okay, sir?
Thank you.
All right. Allowing. I'm glad that you are trying to get in the system and get your stuff together, okay?
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. If I give you a $200 fine, is that something you're able to afford, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long do you need? 30 or 60 days?
About a week or two.
Okay. I'll give you 30 days just in case anything happens, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You can go online and pay that, okay? So you don't have to physically come in if you don't want to. Just go online and pay it at 36districtcourt.org, okay?
Okay, do I need a case number to put on that to pay it online?
Yep. I'll give you the case number. You ready, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
SP 79.
SP?
SP, like P as in Peter.
P as in Peter?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
79.
11-9-3-8.
7.
Oh, all right. So let's start over again. My phone had an echo to it. Let's start over again. Okay.
It's okay. All right. So it's S as in Sam, P as in Peter, 7, 9, 3, 8, 1, 7. Count 1.
1-1, you said?
Yep.
Okay, so I have S and Sam, P as in Peter, 7-9-3-8-1-7-1-1.
Just 1. Okay. Not 2 1s at the end. Just 1. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
All right. You're all set, sir. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I understood when you started talking about traveling. I understand those words. I'm gonna see. Mr. Wade, you thought about it? You know what you want to do?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay the 200.
All right. Recalling the matter of Keith versus George Augusta Wade III. This is ticket SP 139287. Count 1. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And Werbeling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
And state your name, sir, for the record. Mr. Wade?
Oh, George Wade.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Judge, he'd be waiving his rights and he would plead to an amending count of improper plates.
All right. Sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, we spoke about the case.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yeah. Yes.
You don't have to take this. Like I can try and find an earlier date. I don't know how much earlier it will be, but you know.
Yeah, if okay. Yeah, I mean it is what it is.
Are you going to be able to get your car registered and to get your insurance?
Yes, it can be done this week, but I'm sure you won't be able to find none this soon. But yeah.
Mr. Wade, you done missed the whole court hearing. That you were supposed to take this care of this at the beginning of the month. And so you should have had it done at that time. That's the thing that frustrates. No, don't say nothing, Mr. Wade. Okay? You get the brunt of it because you're not the only person who would have came here humming and eyeing this morning. Mr. Wade, you missed the first court date, and it may have been because you moved. I know that happens sometimes. But that means that you knew that you had these tickets and they were out there somewhere. And then you come in and you like, all of a sudden I'm rushing, go get it. If you can squeeze me in real quick, because I need to get this taken care of. Isn't that like something that we don't do as adults? We say, let me handle my business real quick, and then let me get this together. So when I am ready, knowing that I got a new court date, now I'm gonna come in prepared and ready to go. Right?
Yes.
Now they're driving me bananas. How my first week of June look like? Hold on a second. Maybe live. Or a second.
It's not awful. Oh, you got 34 free trials. Yes, what
What about June 7th, Mr. Wade?
Yes.
Okay. I see you for a pretrial June 7th. I promise, Mr. Wade, that I have everything in order.
Yeah, I have everything.
Okay. June 7th at 8:30 a.m. Bond will be set at $0 personal. I'll see you June 7th, okay? 8:30 a.m. via Zoom.
All right, thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome,
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Wade. You're welcome.
All right.
All right. Attorney Faulkner, were you able? No, you had to talk to that other person. Okay.
I think I'm ready on all of them.
I'm good to go.
Yeah, you're good to go, Mr. Wade. You can go ahead and sign out, okay?
All right.
What about officer here?
They waiting for a new offer on that. Unless he said he was
Again? Is that following?
no, Reverend, you need to talk to Alexa about that case, right?
Yeah, about Desiree Woods, Judge. And then I gotta speak with Zarn S. Williams too, but
Kira Whitaker, I'm just go down the list of people here in the waiting. I mean, Shira Whitaker. Miss Whitaker?
Yes, I'm present.
Okay, turn your camera on, please. Now calling the matter of People versus Shira Whitaker. This is ticket number SP 1408695. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, miss?
Shira Whitaker.
All right,
So
counsel.
it's game time set for a pre-trial. She wants to waive her rights. She's going to plead to the expired plates with the remaining counts to be dismissed.
All right. Counsel, do you stipulate to the four corners of the plea in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to expired plates. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for that is $145. Typically with civil infractions, you have 14 days to be able to pay it. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so it's gonna be due no later than June 5th, 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. We're bringing in Devontae Young. Devontae Young. Mr. Young?
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera. All right. Now calling the matter, People versus Devontae Rashawn Young. This is ticket SP 1307990, count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number, and count 3 of that ticket is pedestrian disobey officer signal. Also calling ticket number SP 1307992, count 1, disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Devontae Young.
Your Honor, I believe my client wishes to plead not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, he has the next action date of 7/3/2023. That's what his next case is day is. What was that?
He got one case.
What kind of case? All right, I'm gonna print out his other case too. In the meantime, Mr. Young, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. What you keep looking at? What's happening over
My
there?
daughter.
Okay, I'll make sure. And you don't have to be so aggressive, Mr. Young.
Huh?
I said, don't be so aggressive, okay? When I ask you a question, I'm just asking to inquire about something. You don't have to say it so rough, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with everybody today.
I don't know, Mr.
So,
Worthley. Did you have a chance
Hey,
to talk to the
everybody's
attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the day of August 30th, sir. August 30th at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on these cases. All right, I'm gonna pull that other ticket and put it on the same date as August 30th. So the July 3rd date you don't need to come for. I'm gonna put all the tickets on the same day for a bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir.
All right. Thanks.
All right, you're welcome.
All right.
All right. It's all right, Attorney Worthing. We're gonna pray through it.
All right, Judge. Hot mic, sorry.
It's okay. I was all like, I understand. I was with you.
Sorry. It's something's going on today. I can't put my finger on it.
It's
Monday.
It's Monday. That's right. That's all it is. Miss Williams, can you unmute yourself for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Chantilise Michelle Williams.
Shantice Williams.
Shantice, thank you. Okay. Ticket number SP 1366495. Count 1, unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Also in warrant status, I don't know if you knew about this. This is ticket number SP 1338724. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And Wayne P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, miss?
Shantice Williams.
Judge, this is the day and time. I believe for a show cause, but she's requesting a bench trial.
All right, if so, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'll set it for a bench trial on the date of August 30th. August 30th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0. I'll see you back online August 30th at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Your
You're
Honor.
welcome. You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am. Okay?
You too, bye.
All right, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Williams Jr. This is to SP 1260774. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
All right, Judge Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Williams. Sir, your name for the record?
Robert Williams Jr.
How we proceeding, counsel?
Judge, he's going to be continuing his not guilty pleas, requesting a pretrial date, Your Honor.
So my pretrial date is August 9th. That gives you plenty of time, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, August 9th, okay, via Zoom.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you then, sir.
Could I ask one more question? Would I get like a ticket or something in the mail?
Write it down, because sometimes they come and sometimes they don't, sir.
My
So
last
you need
one.
to again, write it down so I can tell you.
August 9th at 8.
8:30. Don't come on at 8, you'll be here all by yourself.
Okay. August.
8:30, same Zoom information, August 9th, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See you then.
Okay. See you. Thank you.
Ms. Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Zarnes Williams.
This me, I'm here.
Okay, I got you, ma'am. I'm just reading the ticket. Ticket number SP 1410820. Count 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Count 2, defective brake light. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number SP 1410830. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. And ticket number SP 1392739. Count 2, I know made it for sure. That's drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 1 on that same ticket is 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Judge Ben Werling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, miss?
Zaness Williams.
Judge, it's a day and time set for a pretrial. I did have an opportunity to discuss these matters with Corporation Counsel. They're dismissing everything, except they wanted Ms. Williams to plead to one count of blockading traffic, which is a civil infraction, does not show up on the driving record and has no points. It's essentially an expensive parking ticket. I don't know if Ms. Williams wanted to do that today.
You said what parking ticket?
It's essentially going to be, everything's being dismissed with Ms. Williams. You're pleading to
Okay.
one count of blockading traffic. It's the same as like a parking ticket. It does not show up on your driving record and it has no points.
Okay, okay.
I believe she wants to accept that, Judge.
All right, that's the case. Counsel, will you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis for me?
Yes, Judge.
All right, stipulation of probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
We do stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter on ticket number SP 1410820, count one, an amended plea of responsible to the charge of blockade. Now, ma'am, I got a couple of tickets in here where you drove a little faster than you were supposed to, and we're cutting you a break today. Watch your speed. Okay?
I
All right,
have now.
Okay, I know. The ticket for this is $175, ma'am. Typically with
Okay.
civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay them. Is that gonna be enough time for you?
I may need a little longer. Can I make payment plans?
You can. I'm gonna give you
And you
30
said-
days. If you need
So-
more time, then you need to arrange it with the court, okay?
Okay, so you saying for both of them, they 175 for both?
You only pled to one, so it's just 175 that you need to pay, just 175.
Okay, so can I make payments through my card?
You can either go online to 36districtcourt.org, or you can
Okay.
physically come down to the court and make payments on the first floor,
Okay, okay,
okay?
all right. So just one ticket for $175.
That's correct.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All
All
right,
right, have a blessing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
You pull it. You pull it. You pull it.
I gotta hit leave.
I think it's it.
Do I leave now?
Yeah, you can leave, ma'am, okay? Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Sheree Williams Robinson.
Yes, Sheree Williams Robinson.
Okay, the officer, I'm checking. All right, now call the matter of people versus Sheree Robinson. This is you ticket, 636-261-22. Count one. Discharge firearm. Ticket number SP 1207323. One count failure to obey railroad crossing restrictions. And ticket number SP 1207327. Count one, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Ben Wormling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, miss?
Sheree Williams Robinson.
And Judge, this is the day and time set for trial. I don't believe there's any officers with respect to these matters.
Time is now 11:27 a.m. No officers being present for these matters. Court is going to dismiss them without prejudice. All right, ma'am, you're all set, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, no problem. Have a good day. All
You
right.
too.
I will, thank you. All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you can sign off. All right,
I appreciate that.
Ajumi Yakini,
Hello. Yes. Hello.
all right. Not you, sir. Sir, what's your name on the phone? 1 minute, Mr. Yakini.
I am Jerome Woodward. I was talking to the prosecutor and nobody came back.
Did you finish talking to them?
Ma'am?
Did you finish talking to them?
Yes, he told me what to do, and no, the judge was supposed to click in, and nothing happened. I was on 2 different devices.
Mr. Woodward, this is the judge. It's because I've been working so hard. Because in
Okay,
contrary
I'm
to
sorry,
what you
man.
believe, I had like 25, 26 people check in, so I'm just doing them. I know nobody wants to be patient today. It's beautiful
No, I'm
outside.
sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. I just didn't want to be in default.
You're not gonna be in default as long as my computer system is going. I'm gonna keep going, so hold tight, okay?
I'm with you.
Okay.
I
Cherie
think
Williams
you're ready.
Robinson, you got your hand up. You need something? Ms. Robinson?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to know, how do I get all my paperwork and everything? Will it?
So you have to give us a day or so to put it in the computer system. Then you can either physically come down here and come on the first floor and print it out, and they'll print it out for you, or you can do it yourself, print it out online, okay?
Okay, I appreciate you. You have a nice day, Judge.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
No. Mr. Yakini,
Yes.
now calling the matter of the people versus Ajuma Yukini. This is ticket number SP 1351765. This is count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Fulton, the representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Ajumu Yakini.
Your Honor, the one count would be reduced to failure to display an operator's license, and the other would be dismissed.
All right. Mr. Yakini, you on probation to me, aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, raise your right hand for me. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Woodward, press *6 on your phone. Press *6, Mr. Woodward. *6. You're making all kinds of noises, yes. All right. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
I plead guilty of your own choice.
Yes, ma'am.
I plead guilty because you are guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, would you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of July 26th of 2022. Sir, were you in the vehicle, a Lexus vehicle in the area of Woodward and East Forest in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
While you were in that vehicle, what does he plead to, the drove while license suspended or the misdemeanor insurance?
It would be the driver license suspended, Your Honor.
And were you driving while your license was suspended because you're currently on probation for operating while intoxicated, sir?
Say that one more time, please.
Your Honor, excuse me, I think, oh, no,
I know.
this is correct.
I know, Attorney Faulkner, that's why I'm giving you more information.
I got failure to display, reduced from driver's license suspended and no insurance to be dismissed.
Mhm. Were you driving while your license was suspended, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
When I said Attorney Faulkner, as I said he was driving on a suspended license because he's currently on probation to me for operating while intoxicated?
Well.
Mr. Yakini, I thought we talked about the fact that you can only drive if you have that temporary license, and they tell you exactly where you can drive to and from.
Yes, ma'am. This happened prior to me being on probation.
That may be true. I have a review on you on the 26th. Is that gonna be good or bad?
That's gonna be good.
Okay. You gotta get this driving thing under control, especially while you're doing this.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display a valid operator's license. The remaining count, no insurance misdemeanor, will be dismissed without prejudice. You still owe a ton of money to probation. You know that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see it. And you owe tickets that are in default. You gotta pay this stuff. I know it's expensive. All right. I will waive your costs and fines on this ticket only because you have this probation stuff and I need you to pay that. You owe like $2,000+, it looks like. You need to
Yes,
pay
ma'am.
this. I'll see you on the 26th. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
DeJuan Woods. Now calling the matter of people versus DeJuan Jamar Woods. This is ticket SP 12104971. Drove while license suspended. Count 2 of that same ticket is drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3 is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1227386. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. U ticket 512773119. Offered to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
DeJuan Woods.
Your Honor, my client continues his pleas of not guilty. Question bench trial date. This is a matter, he states, of ID theft. And we need a trial date to have the officers come in.
There was a charge I was guilty for. Like I was telling the attorney, I'm in the midst of being a correctional officer and just got custody of my 6 kids. So my lien came back. This matter that I had thought I got resolved before was not fully resolved. My identity was stolen shortly before I found out about these charges. The open alcohol was mine. I do remember that. That was right down the street from my father's facility that he works at. He works at the Davidson precinct. But yeah, it's just I've been trying to think about this for so long so that I can get my correction started. And when my identity was stolen, I've had my court date on Zoom. I brought the paperwork to prove that I had my identity theft. And that was hard to get a hold of the lawyer that helped me go through that. So when I did that, I thought everything was resolved and my lien showed me that it wasn't. And I've had tickets after I had thought I got this resolved, and that's what the open alcohol is. But I guess the stuff before that is still not resolved, and it's just very inconvenient at this moment. And I didn't want to take a guilty plea, even though it sounds better than what would happen if I wasn't guilty. I would rather take my chances because I know that I was innocent. As far as the one that starts with an O.
I don't even remember what I asked you, Mr. Woods. I don't, because that just didn't answer any question that I would have asked. I don't know that.
It wasn't a question.
What I asked Attorney Faulkner, what did I ask Mr. Woods? I
wasn't guilty for one charge. The other one, I didn't want to make it seem like I'm saying I'm not guilty for anything because
Mr. Woods, I'm not one of those people who go looking and I get mad because you don't want to plead guilty. That's not for me to decide. All I'm here is to decide if you want to take a plea, if you want to have a bench trial, if you want to have a jury trial. I don't look at anybody any differently because I got my own issues. So you don't have to go into a dissertation about why you want to do certain things. All I asked you was if you wanted to have a bench trial. I think that's what I asked you. I'm not really quite sure at this point in time what it was that I asked.
No, it was my attorney. He asked me, or he was letting me know that I just was making a comment. It wasn't an answer to anything. I was just stating that It was
But you
only,
come out here and then I ask you a question and you make a comment.
I'm sorry,
I
I
just
just,
want to know, Mr. Woods, why did you feel the need to make a comment? Because you wanted me to make sure I didn't see you in a bad light? I don't. I
No,
understand. People take trials for different reasons.
no, I just wanted to be honest and say that it's not all charges that I'm not guilty about. There's only one that's not guilty. The rest of them I am guilty about. That's all I wanted to say.
Right,
Sorry.
but we're gonna put them all on the same track, because even if you are claiming, then on that day, we can take care of it at the same time, right? Unless you want to plead to that, and let me tell you, I can't give you any advice, but whatever the attorneys told you is correct about that one case, okay?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So when are you looking to try and get this job? Because maybe I can try to find a closer date for a bench trial.
As soon as possible. I had already had my open orientation and everything. I passed my test. That was in February. So May 1st was the beginning of the 2-month training. The end of the last day you can get in the 2-month training is June 7th or something like that, I believe. But my father is corrections. He's been corrections for 20+ years, so they kind of been able to pull some strings and work with me, give me a little lead. And my brother is also corrections. He just got in as well. So they're trying to get me in now, but it's just so much with this going on, trying to get my name together.
Soon as I can get you is June 12th, because it has to be at least 3 weeks out, because I have to notify officers.
Okay.
June 12th.
That'll work.
I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Okay?
The court date on June 12th, is there a time frame exactly?
Yes, I'm sorry, 9 a.m. I apologize for that. 9 a.m. You're right, Mr. Wood.
You okay? 9 a.m. Same courtroom, same Zoom.
Same courtroom, same Zoom, everything, okay?
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day. John Williams Tate.
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling. Now calling the matters of the people versus John Willie Williams Tate. This is ticket SP 1077166. Driver's license never required. Ticket number U 79101311. Use loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. U ticket 559-62220. This is one count of use loudspeaker without permission. Is that the same ticket? Nope, that's a different ticket. SP 832399, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number SP 095756160, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. And ticket number SP 104641231, one count failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, to represent the defendant. Your name, sir?
John Williams Tate.
Your Honor, I have four tickets or 4 counts on the docket.
I probably printed out his cases that were in warrant status. I do apologize, but our last chunk of tickets was probably in warrant status for him. Did you reach some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was the resolution?
The driver license never acquired would be failure to display, and the one loudspeaker would be disorderly conduct. The rest dismissed.
All right, that's fair. I'll dismiss the other 2 tickets if he wants to take advantage of that offer.
He does, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're doing 1, ticket to an FTD, and what was the other ticket he was pleading to?
Disorderly conduct.
With the loud, use of the loudspeaker?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me see which one was more recent. Okay, yeah. All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams Tate, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today? I ain't hear you.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I pleaded guilty of your own choice.
Yes, ma'am.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. I want to first take you back to the date of, let me see. The date of June 3rd, 2020. Sir, were you in the area of Harper and Cashew in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have your license at that time, never acquired?
No, ma'am.
All right, also, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 3rd, around that same time of 2020. Were you in that area of Harper and Cashew? And were you playing your music a little loud, disturbing the peace a little bit?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is counsel satisfied?
Satisfied, stipulate the probable cause for the remainders, Your Honor.
Thank you so much, counsel. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display, as well as the amended charge of disorderly conduct. I got the 2 tickets right. Is that correct, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes, ma'am, I do believe so.
All right, and the remaining tickets that I called on the record, including those 2 that weren't listed on the docket today, will be dismissed as a part of this plea, Attorney Faulkner, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, cool. So, sir, you gotta stop playing your music so loud, okay? You got 2 of those tickets. They was far apart, but you gotta stop doing that. So I know you want to hear the bass. I know it. I understand. You gotta chill out a little bit, okay?
Yeah, I toned it down a bit.
Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, on each one of these tickets, I'm gonna give you yes, payment. You have payment arrangements on some of your tickets.
Yes, ma'am.
How many tickets do you have in payment arrangements, sir?
I think I want to say 5.
Okay, it's like 4 tickets. Okay. So what I'll do today is that I'm gonna give you a fine on the disorderly conduct of $200. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket. You should be able to add this one to your payment plan thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then I'll waive the cost and fines on the other ticket, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so 200, and I'll give you 60 days to get that set up, okay? So I'll make that, you gotta do it by July 24th, 2023 to add that extra 200 into there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further then, sir, thank you for your patience today, and you're all set with that ticket, okay? You're all set with the tickets. I think that's all your misdemeanors, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we say good luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. All right. All right. Jerome Woodward. Press *6 on your phone.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Jerome Keith Woodward. This is ticket SP 1318810, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Jerome Keith Woodward.
Your Honor, the charge is allowing an unlicensed person to drive. He's offered a 3-month delayed sentence, but it'd be shortened whatever to the time he pays the actual cost. It would be dismissed at that time.
All right, sir, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand.
It's up.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to
Thank you.
talk to the attorney about the case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right, did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters?
Yes, ma'am.
And understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of February 24th of 2022. Sir, will you drive, did you own a vehicle, a Dodge vehicle at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Let me add this one thing, and counsel, will you stipulate that it was at Linwood and Elmhurst in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
All right, counsel, all right, satisfied with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well, except the
I
plea.
believe, Your Honor, I believe my client's bound to a wheelchair, which might have caused this to happen.
Okay, all right, sir.
Yes.
So my
Yes, ma'am. I'm
understanding
a stroke survivor.
okay,
I didn't mean to cut you off. I'm a stroke survivor, paralyzed on one side. I had a friend drive me to get my prescriptions, and he obviously license was expired.
oh, okay, all right, one second. All right, what was it, a 3-month delay sentence, or when he pays his fine, it'll be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, looks like this is his only ticket that he has in the system. So at this time, the court's gonna waive his cost and fines. Close out this matter.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
I'm gonna dismiss it, that's part of it, dismiss. All right, sir, you gotta make sure you check and make sure whoever is driving you has their license and it's valid, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because it seemed like you had everything else intact, insurance and all that, so you just gotta make sure who's driving you is licensed to drive, okay?
Yes, ma'am. That's why I want to keep being able to get insurance. Didn't want no points or anything.
I totally understand, Mr. Woodward, so this shouldn't affect that, you should be okay, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so what do I need to do?
Nothing, I dismissed it, because I gave you zero.
Thank you
cost
so
and
very
fine.
much. Thank you so very much.
You're very welcome, Mr. Woodward, enjoy the rest of your day.
That's my birthday. That's my birthday present. My birthday is Sunday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, have a good day, Mr. Woodward, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna try and pronounce your last name, ma'am. Yelapoti?
Yulapoti.
Say it one more time.
Yulapoti.
Yelapoti, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andrea Yelapoti. This is ticket number SP 1400909. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, failed to stop for a stop sign. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Andrea Yulapoti.
Yeah, there's an offer to, if my client pled guilty to allow an unlicensed person to drive, the two counts that are up would be dismissed.
All right. Ma'am, you want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, I do.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Because I am.
Because you're guilty of this?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 21st of 2022. Ma'am, at that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East Grand Boulevard and East Palmer Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your driver's license expired at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well. I'm going to dismiss the remaining civil infractions and enter a plea to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ma'am, my fine for this ticket is $200. How long will that take to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay, so I would do no later than June 22nd, 2023. Yeah, make sure you remember to do your driver's license every time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, all right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay? You have your license back in place yet or no?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Well, that fine is for rolling through the stop sign when you shouldn't have, okay?
Sure. All right. Have a good day.
Okay, you too, ma'am. All right. Did you ever get in contact with Ms. Snyder?
I'm not, Judge. Let me see.
Oh, Ms. Woods?
Is that, yeah, I think that's one of the last ones I have, Your Honor. I don't know, Judge, did we ever do Malcolm White?
No.
Okay, no problem.
And Alexa Walton.
Alexa Walton, I don't know if y'all knew about Alexa Walton. Well,
I did speak with her, Your Honor.
And what about Robert Walker?
I haven't spoken to
Anybody talk
Robert.
to Robert Walker?
I have not.
You may not have, because I had to start putting people in other rooms and stuff, so sorry. Marcus Williams. Marcus Williams.
Robert Walker, I have Robert Walker.
Yeah, Robert Walker. What about Marcus Williams?
I spoke to him.
I'm just closing all the breakout rooms. I'm just bringing everybody out here. We're gonna see what's going on today.
That'd be fine.
Okay. All right. Mr. Walker?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Dewan Walker. This is ticket SP 1065 314. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1256442. Open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger. And ticket number SP 853978. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Robert Walker.
Your Honor, there is an offer for the driving without a license. It's reduced to failure to display and no insurance to improper plates. Rest to be dismissed.
One more time. I zoned out, sorry.
Can we say it again, Your Honor?
Yeah, say it one more time, I'm sorry.
Okay, the driver without a license is reduced to failure to display. And I believe it's no insurance reduced to improper plates.
Okay. You want to take advantage of that, sir?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
I pleaded guilty of your own choice.
Yes, ma'am.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights to have a bench or a jury trial?
Yes, I understand.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, please.
All right. I want to take your attention first back to the date of February 12th of 2020. Sir, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Grand River and Buchanan Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I will.
And did that vehicle not have any insurance on it at the time?
At the time, I didn't know.
All right. Then I want to bring your attention to the date of May 16th of 2018, sir. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Joy Road in Cheyenne in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I do remember that.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on the insurance. And is it the amended charge of fail to display on the other ticket, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we're going to enter those two counts. On one of the tickets, sir, from 2018, you have something that's in default. You need to pay that ticket, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
On that same ticket, I'm going to assess a fine in the amount of $200. How long
Okay.
do you need to pay that, 30 or 60 days?
30 days is fine.
All right, so I have that due June 22nd, 2023. On the remaining ticket, I waive the cost and fines because you're gonna have to pay that complete ticket. You have to pay in full ticket number SP 853978, okay?
Okay, that's altogether, how much will I have to owe when I go down there?
Let me see if I can pull up how much the second ticket is.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah. So, 258, you got reinstated fees and late fees. Right, and then come back to reinstate. Right.
You're gonna waive the late fee.
215.
It's $215, so total you need to have $415.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, okay?
Okay,
All right, Mr. Walker, you're all set. Thank you for your patience today.
thank you for yours too.
I will. I appreciate it. Thank you. You can log off now, okay, sir? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you for your attire for court too. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right. Cornisha Waiters, I'm sorry. Oh, I know you're not gonna have some of these, no, they should be all today. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Cornisha Waiters. This is ticket number SP 1317906. One count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Ticket number SP 1317907. Count 1, unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling tickets SP 1431611, speeding 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, defective or missing equipment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Oh, sure. Cornelia Waiters.
Your Honor, my client continues her not guilty plea requesting a bench trial date.
All right. That's the case, ma'am. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I can't hear you for some reason.
Yes.
Okay. All right. You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of August 30th. August 30th at 9 a.m. via Zoom. I'll continue your bond at $0 personal. I'll see you back August 30th at 9 a.m. for your bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Maurice Williams.
On here.
Maurice Williams.
It's Marcus Williams.
Marcus, I'm sorry. I'm looking at it. Marcus.
We did have a Maurice.
I did have a Maurice Williams. Okay. But I'm looking at it saying the wrong name. Marcus. Now calling the matter of people versus Marcus Williams. This is ticket SP 1273281. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP 1257767. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, start with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, sir?
Marcus Williams.
Judge, date and time set for arraignment. However, he wants to waive his rights, accept the offer. The original counts would be dismissed. He'd be pleading a 1 count of improper plates.
Okay. All right, sir, if that's what you want to do, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of November 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of Schaefer and Puritan in the city of Detroit driving a Volkswagen vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that Volkswagen, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No.
Oh, shoot, I needed her. She logged off. Sorry, it's not for you. All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right. Court is satisfied as well. will enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, you realize you have some tickets in default,
Default.
which
What
means
is
that
that?
you didn't pay, okay? So you have a no receipt of or unsigned registration, as well as a disregard signal red or amber that you need to take care of and pay.
Oh, I have been to the court previously, like last week. I've made a payment of $280.
Yep, so that paid for no proof of insurance. And so you still have those other 2 tickets you need to pay for as well, okay?
Okay. I thought I did. I thought she told me I didn't have to pay those or something like that. When I talked to the clerk, I don't know, but I'll pay for it.
You put that on for today, right? Tickets in default. We're gonna look and see real quick, okay? Yeah. Yeah, they in default, so you gotta come down here and pay them. You may have misunderstood why they told you to pay that ticket. It's a reason they want you to pay the no proof of insurance. You trying to get your license back?
Yes. I have been to the Secretary of State recently, and
Okay.
they said
Typically, that ticket will hold you up, and that might have been why they want you to pay that first. But the other tickets, if they told you you didn't need to pay them, that's false. You need to pay all your tickets all the time.
yeah, I thought that was kind of strange.
Okay, so come back and make some payments on those tickets. I'm gonna waive the cost of fine on that because you got 2 civil infractions you still need to pay for, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome.
Ms. Snyder's back, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Snyder, I need you to talk to Attorney Werberling and Officer Harrington about the case. I'm gonna put y'all all in breakout room number 1, okay? And then that way y'all can talk about that case, so I can get him. Officer Harrington, I'm putting you in the room with them, please, okay?
All right, sound good.
Thank you. I know you've probably been working all night. I'm so sorry.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Let's discuss that after we get offline. It's like,
All good.
I don't have no food. Okay, go to breakout room number 1. Okay.
And then Mr. Walton.
I know, Mr. Walton. I'm gonna call your case right now. Did you do this one, Attorney Faulkner?
No, Your Honor. I don't think so. Let me check my Walton.
Yes, that is I.
You got to mark it in the room.
Thank you.
I have a Alexis Walton, but
That is me.
oh, okay. I'm not sure if did I discuss the offer made to you, Mr. Walton?
No. We're talked about taking it to trial because they were going to try to charge me for damages, which I don't feel I should pay damages for her vehicle because she hit me.
Don't discuss. We don't say any more about it. You want to plead not
Okay.
guilty? That's fine. We'll get you a trial date.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, my mistake.
That's okay. Nothing didn't hurt anything.
Okay, but I do apologize. I didn't know.
You're that's okay. We're gonna continue plead not guilty. And I
Yes,
request
sir.
a bench trial date.
Yes, sir.
Ready for this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Alexis Clayton Walton. This is ticket number, and I have 3 different tickets, SP 1084-810. Count 1, driver's license expired. Also calling ticket number SX 3689216. Count 1, no operator's license, multiple operators license on person. Count 2, accident, failed to stop and report, stop at property damage accident, hit and run. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name, sir?
Alexis Walton.
Your Honor, my client continues his plea of not guilty. Request a bench trial date.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand?
Right hand is raised.
Thank you so much. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
So help me God, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial, bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of August 30th, okay? August 30th at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. August 30th, what time?
At 9 a.m., sir.
9. Okay, thank you.
All right.
I
You're
got
welcome,
that.
sir. Have a good day.
You as
do
well,
Marcus?
ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Walton. Did you do Marcus Williams or no?
I did not.
Okay.
How about Desiree Wood?
We're talking to the attorney right now, as well as the officer, and trying to resolve that right now. Okay, tight. We're trying. All right, Ms. Wood, you can turn on your camera now. Everyone's returned to me.
Okay, so. Okay.
Okay, you ready? All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Desiree Lynette Woods. This is ticket number SP 13858651. No insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 13858641. One count stop street or intersection failed to stop. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Judge Ben Werbling, P 64889 on behalf of Miss Woods. Your name, ma'am, for the record.
Desiree Woods.
Officer Michael Harrington, Officer Michael Harrington, Detroit Police Badge 3103.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Judge, date and time set for trial. My understanding, we spoke with Miss Schneider in the breakout room that there will be a dismissal upon stipulation of probable cause.
Attorney Snyder, can you state your name for the record? I did see you come on. Oh, okay. Okay. I got
Good
you.
morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the People, P80322. I was freezing, but we did.
I saw it. I just read your message. That's why I was like, darn, I could have done it for you. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. We spoke to Officer Harrington. We're moving to dismiss with stipulation of probable cause.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right. Based on the police officer wanting to do that. Okay. All right.
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right.
Alexa, if you can hold on 1 second. Did you guys do Marcus Williams? Did you get an offer for him, Ben? Or
that one I thought we had just done. He put the improper plates.
No. So that was.
Oh, is that a different one?
I got two different ones. I got a Maurice Williams and a Marcus Williams. I think I read the wrong one for the wrong person. Unless this is the same person. I did Marcus Williams. Let me see. I can't get him to do what I need to do. All right, Ms. Woods, you're all set. It's dismissed.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you, Officer Harrington, for waiting so patiently today.
No problem.
You stay safe out there, please, okay?
All right, have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Ms. Woods, did you have any questions?
Yeah, I don't know what's up.
Oh, they were dismissed.
Pardon?
Both matters have been dismissed. So you're free to leave the meeting. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you so much.
You're
All
welcome.
right.
Have a great day. Thank you for
too.
getting the
Thank you.
insurance. You're welcome.
Bye.
I don't have a record for Maurice Williams, but I do have marked off Marcus Williams, which was on page 1.
Right, and this is the same gentleman. Marcus Williams, you just signed in the 2 different devices?
No, I still was on the same device. I didn't know what was going on if I was dismissing.
So you're Marcus Williams, right?
Yes, I'm Marcus Williams.
And we took the plea on you already, right?
Yes, we did, Judge.
Okay,
Okay,
you can
good to
sign
go.
off.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
all
you.
right, fantastic, all right.
All right.